Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I have another video and it is this hairstyle, soft locks. So if you want to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. So I'm starting out on freshly blown out hair, and what I'm going to do with this is just part my hair and make little braids all around my head. This is the base to all the locks, so make sure that all your roots are flat when you're doing these braids, because that's really the key to that super flat look. It's having your roots flat. As I'm finishing up this last one right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all, I think I had about 60 to 65 braids all over my head. I used the Freetress Nikki Lock in the 30-inch color 1 to do this style. I only used 2.5 packs of this. I also used the Springy Afro Twist in color 1, the Bobby Boss New Locks 30 inches in color 613, and also the Pop and Twist 20 inches in color 613. I only used 1 pack of each of those. I used some Murray's Beeswax, and also last but not least, but some edge control, which I'm surprised this edge control was the bomb. Like, I am not lying to y'all. Okay, so now that we got those products out of the way, we can actually start installing. I took my crochet hook and I went in probably about an inch, or maybe not even that much, half an inch down the braid, and pulled the hair through. This was really good for helping me keep my roots flat. Took my pop and twist hair and started wrapping around the root about 3 times around in that same little spot, and then I started to work my way down and start to cover the whole braid, the whole lock. And if I'm going too fast for you guys to understand or catch on, I will be having a slower version coming right after this braid, so I won't leave you out. I got you. Right now you can just see me wrapping the hair all the way down until it gets to the end of my hair. Once I get done wrapping then I take my Murray's beeswax, put it in between my palms, and give my lock a little palm roll. And that is it. Okay, so now for the slower version. What you see me doing here is taking my crochet needle and going in a 1/2 inch to 1 inch down the braid. I'm just going to stick it through, put my lock on the hook, and pull my lock through. Here you see me taking my braid, the lock that I just crocheted in, and I'm going to hold them together. And then I'm going to take my pop and twist hair and put a little piece of it right next to the braid and the lock. Hold all 3 of those pieces together. Then the longer end, I'm going to wrap around the roots about 3 times in the same spot to get it really tight, really nice and smooth, and then move my way down with the wrapping. Okay, y'all, I'm just throwing on a little edge control, combing these edges together, and we are finished. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy with this. And this is where you put some respect on it. This is where you put some respect on it. No, but y'all ever get y'all hair done and just feel like a whole brand new person after? Like, that's me. That's me. That's me all the time. We in this together. I feel like a whole brand new person because look at me. I am brand new. We brand new. I really love how my hair turned out. I mean, just look at this. I cannot wait to wear this. I cannot wait to wear this. I really love how my hair turned out. It took me over a few days because I'm a working girl, but all in all, the total working hours, it probably took me 6 to 8, and it is definitely worth the wait. I love this style so much. And this wraps up my video. I am so happy again with how this turned out. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, just write them down below or social media, get to me. But yeah, this is it. This is the end result. This is how everything turned out. Thank you guys for watching. To keep it real with ya, I just need a little more liquor.